all the African people need to see this, need to watch this. The stories they told us about this great man, the former president of Uganda, Great General Amin Dada. Most of the stories, I don't believe them. How can they tell us this great man with this kind of pure heart can actually, do all these things they told us he did? How? Eating his people's human flesh. That's what they told us about him. Please watch.
Are you one of these rich leaders who've gone into exile?
No, I am not rich. I am one of the poor leader in the world, and my intention is to work for my people, but not for me. I come from very poor family. I wanted to tell you this. And when I became bigger, my father has no money. I am to work, digging, and then people give me some money for food, and some money I keep it, and I pay my school fees, and I study through hardship, not just comfort. And also I used to, then I was taken by force into the army here in Kampala during the war, and I went there. I did not want, but later on, because of force, during the Second World War, I was taken to Burma, and I work there until now. I went through difficulty. I got the rank from the rank of Lance Corporal up to General now. I became General. I must make sure that every Ugandans get a fruit of independence. Since independent, actually Uganda is not yet independent, I will say that. Even when the British handed over on the 9th of October 1962, the Uganda still not yet independent. Uganda will be independent after this, my decision, after I want to see that the whole Kampala street is not full of Indians. It must be proper black, and administration in those shops is run by the Ugandans.
Would you like to get all Asians out, really, sir?
Yes, they must go to their country.
Even nationals of Uganda?
If they want to go, they are welcome to go.
What will happen to these people if they don't go by the time they're...
I think they will be sitting like they are sitting on the fire. I will tell you this. You just wait after 3 months.
What will you do to them?
Okay, you will see.
You said you wanted Uganda.
I think they will not sit comfortably here in Uganda. I will tell you this. I must actually tell you the truth.
Have you asked the British to take them away, sir?
That you are building transit camp for them if they are not going?
I am not responsible for building them transit camp.
Have you asked the British to take them away, sir?
Yes, it is a British High Commissioner is here, his responsibility. Yes. I have told him.
You've said you wanted to teach Britain a lesson, President. Why is that?
And that is now lesson I am teaching the British. I am teaching now the lesson because I am correcting them from the mistake they had made. If they had think before earlier that there is the African here who can even work under building the railway with the instruction given to them by the British, this problem will not happen. If I found you not to attend cabinet 3 times without reason, you are out of government. You must tell our women in Uganda to work very hard. You must not make the women of Uganda very weak. They must get up quickly in the morning at about 5 o'clock. They are ready in Nakasero, preparing, ready to sell vegetable and everything in the shop. The duty of the woman is the house woman. He knows how to keep house very well. If he can do that, let me make first examination, appoint women to be the managers of hotel.
If he's well educated, he has got that brain, he's determined, he can look after the hotel very well. I want to see a woman, international hotel, very big one. Must be woman Ugandans, and I know they can do it. And you, as a minister, you must back them completely. If you find any man trying to not to obey the order and everything, you can punish that person. I think we are the first now country. I'm no longer slave, even my people are no longer slave in Africa. They are a master of themselves. You can even witness this when you are here in Uganda. Everything is being done by Ugandans. Is that true? You agree? And if there are cars, everything, plane, what is being done completely by Uganda. And now the liberation is coming to an end. Now it is the time for the Africa to fight for the economy. Because whether you are moving with how many flags, but if you are still economically slaves of the big powers and they are controlling you, you will never be completely independent. Therefore, you must make sure that your people get independent, freedom, economic control, and it is very important. The black people in America must be the president of the United States of America, must be the secretary of state like Kissinger. They are more brilliant than Dr. Kissinger. Kissinger is not very intelligent. Kissinger always go to the weakest leaders. He never go to Gaddafi. He never come to General Amin. He fears us.
Tough man?
Yes, I am. I am very tough, yes. And I will never give up. If I wanted to do something, I will never change my mind. Toughness is good.
As for me, I don't believe them. I don't. We should be the one. Africa, please, let us rise up. We should be the one to write our own stories. We should be the one to tell our stories to the world. We should be the one, man. We should be. How can... Oh, God. I don't believe those stories, man. I don't. I don't. You cannot tell me a man with this kind of... having this kind of mind for his people, love his people, fought for his people, telling me this man was... No. There is something wrong somewhere. Yeah. There is something wrong. If we can actually investigate well to really find out what really happened, if we can speak, with the people that were there with him, or the people of that time, it would be very nice to get the clear story about him. It would be nice, not the story other people told us. They will, God. It will be nice. By God's grace, we'll welcome towards that. Please drop your opinion on the comment section and share this video. Share this video, guys.